Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Eye Cream is probably one of the most sought-after beauty products, promising to banish those pesky under-eye bags and restore a youthful radiance. But with countless options flooding the market, finding the perfect eye cream to combat puffiness can feel overwhelming. In this video, we'll cut through the noise and reveal our top picks for the best eye creams designed to tackle puffiness, leaving you with brighter, smoother, and more refreshed-looking eyes. Number 5. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. This cream helps reduce puffiness and bags under your eyes, leaving the under-eye area looking hydrated and smooth. It has a non-greasy finish, perfect for everyday use. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and niacinamide to soothe skin. The MVE technology ensures lasting hydration throughout the day. Apply a small amount around your eyes and brow bone, morning and night. Its fast-absorbing formula works well alone or under makeup. This cream contains ceramides 1, 3, and 6-2, which help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Ceramides make up 50% of the lipids in your skin's barrier. It's ophthalmologist-tested and safe for use around the eyes. This product is also accepted by the National Eczema Association, suitable for various skin types. What we like. This eye cream provides lasting hydration with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, perfect for wearing under makeup. If you have sensitive skin and need a reliable, dermatologist-tested option, this is for you. Number 4. LilyAna Naturals Eye Cream. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes the delicate skin around your eyes. This helps reduce puffiness and smooths the appearance of wrinkles, leaving you with a more refreshed look. See an immediate reduction in eye bags with its unique botanical complex. It significantly decreases puffiness, loss of firmness, and dryness around your eyes. This cream targets discoloration and dark circles. It works to even out your skin tone, suitable for all skin types and perfect for both day and night use. It provides all-day protection while softening the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It hydrates the delicate skin around your eyes for a more youthful appearance. It's free from artificial fragrances, colors, and harmful chemicals. It's cruelty-free and made with clean, vegan ingredients, so you can feel good about using it. What we like. This cream deeply hydrates to reduce puffiness and is made with a unique botanical complex. It's also free of harsh chemicals, making it ideal for sensitive skin. If you are looking for a natural, effective solution for puffiness, consider this one. What people say. It helps dryness around the eyes and puffiness. It's so nourishing and hydrating, perfect for dry under eyes. It will definitely soothe any irritation and it does to puff the under eyes. This has been a really good Natura eye cream for me. I love the thicker texture and it definitely has helped with both hydration and fading dark spots and dark circles. Number 3. Baebody Eye Gel. Say goodbye to tired eyes. This advanced eye cream brightens dark circles, reduces puffiness, and diminishes the appearance of fine lines, revealing a more youthful you. It's formulated with a powerful peptide complex, Matrixyl 3000, and cucumber to depuff and hydrate the delicate skin around your eyes. Experience the cooling sensation and see visible results. This dermatologist-tested formula is safe for all skin types. It's allergy and sensitization tested, so you can use it morning and night without worry. The innovative pump dispenser ensures hygienic application and minimizes product waste. Enjoy every drop of this luxurious eye cream. It's made in the USA with cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phthalate-free ingredients. Experience the benefits of this gentle, yet effective eye cream. What we like. This cooling eye gel contains a peptide complex to reduce puffiness and fine lines. It's been dermatologist-tested for sensitive skin and comes in a hygienic pump dispenser. If you want an instantly cooling and effective treatment, this is a great choice. What people say. Upon immediate application, the gel soothes my puffy eyes as effectively and gently as cucumber slices but without all the mess. It minimizes the dark circles under my eyes and its results get better over time. I noticed my under-eye puffiness was almost immediately improved with this product, even within the first 24 hours or so of use. It's very soothing and cooling. If anything, it's helped to delay the development of more fine lines, and smooth the ones that exist. Number 2. Eva Naturals Eye Gel. This luxurious eye gel is specially formulated to diminish the appearance of dark under eye circles and puffiness. It helps restore your skin's elasticity, leaving you with a brighter, more refreshed look. It works to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes. The gentle formula is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. This eye gel boosts collagen production to help smooth out crow's feet and restore a youthful appearance. You'll love the results. It's packed with quality ingredients like jojoba and argan oils for deep hydration, peptides and hyaluronic acid to brighten dark circles, and botanicals like aloe vera and dandelion to promote cell turnover. It's made with high-quality botanicals, effective actives, and clean synthetics. It's free of harmful parabens, sulfates, and dyes, so you can feel good about using it. What we like. This eye gel deeply hydrates and plumps the skin to reduce wrinkles and dark circles, thanks to ingredients like jojoba and argan oil. It's packed with botanicals and is free of harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a natural and effective anti-aging solution, this is it. What people say. It also takes down any puffiness on eyelids and under eyes. This has a nice thick consistency, but that it absorbs quickly and does not leave flakes like other eye gels will do. The skin under my eyes does feel quite hydrated when I wake up in the morning because I only use this at night. I have noticed that the puffiness under my eyes does seem a little better once I left the gel in my makeup fridge, and it was a little cold when I put it under my eyes. Number 1. VELAMO Advanced Retinol Eye Stick. This innovative eye stick is a multi-treatment balm designed to give you younger-looking, brighter eyes. It's a powerful yet gentle solution for various eye concerns. It visibly reduces fine lines and dark circles, boosts moisture, and firms the skin around your eyes. You'll see noticeable improvements in just 3 to 4 weeks. Simply glide it around your eye area in small circles after cleansing. Start with once every 2 to 3 days, then increase to daily use as your skin adjusts. It's formulated with encapsulated retinol, peptides, vegan squalane, and astaxanthin to target signs of aging. It's also safe for sensitive skin. We're confident you'll love the results. If not, we offer a hassle-free refund. Your happiness is our priority. This versatile stick can also be used on your face, neck, and body to improve skin tone and reduce wrinkles. It's a true all-in-one solution. What we like. This retinol eye stick is easy to apply and delivers visible results in just a few weeks. It's suitable for sensitive skin and targets multiple concerns. If you want a convenient and effective retinol treatment, this is the one for you. What people say. It feels incredibly hydrating and super easy to apply. Takes no time and stays on for a long time. This product is a must-have for your pre-makeup routine. It deeply hydrates the under eye area and ensures that your concealer stays smooth and fresh throughout the day, without settling into fine lines. Its portable design is another plus. This retinol eye stick cream combo targets multiple concerns: dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles, and fine lines. While compact, it delivers brightening and anti-aging benefits. Effectively tackles under-eye bags and provides noticeable improvement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.